Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the ISELIN FAIR Pizza. That's right, the famous ISELIN FAIR Pizza, also known as pizza frita, fried pizza. But here in Woodbridge Township, in a little section of ISELIN, there was a festival that the nuns from St. Cecilia's Church used to make this, and they called it the ISELIN FAIR Pizza. And when I tell you it has a cult-like following that we do about 60, 70, 80 of these a day. So I'm going to show you what we do, okay? Some pizza dough. You don't got to go out and buy any high-tech tools. You can just use this. Just don't stab yourself, and you'll be all right. Here it is. Here's the technique. You want to pull. You want to pull, but you want to do it without ripping. Right? And you get it to the size that it's supposed to be, which is kind of this big. And now we're going to put it in a deep fry. This is where the magic happens. Gonna pop back up. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm making a fried zeppoli. It's just flat as opposed to round. And we're not going to put powdered sugar on it. We're going to top it off a little different. But when I tell you that these things are so popular that we get people from outside of Woodbridge, outside of New Jersey actually, that have come to get this because they grew up on this 30, 40 years ago in ISELIN at the ISELIN Fair, and they heard we have them, and word of mouth, best advertisement by the way, they're flocking, they're coming from everywhere to come get these babies. We should do a little TV magic next time and have one ready to come out of the fry. This is where the magic happens. I'm not done yet. Remember that commercial years ago? Come on, let's give it to Mikey. Mikey likes it. Mikey will eat anything. Hey, Mikey! One ISELIN Fair coming up, my friend. The usual, sir?
Yes, please.
There you go, sir. Enjoy. A happy Mike makes me here at Jersey Pizza Boys very happy. And he's happy.